नमो नमः। द्वादशी कक्षा संस्कृतम् आह्लादः पाठ्यपुस्तकम् द्वितीयमण्डलं पद्यविभागः द्वितीयः पाठः उत्सवप्रिया देवभूमिः। दशमः श्लोकः। पक्षे स्थिते भाद्रपदे च मासे गृहे गृहे यत्र तिथौ चतुर्थ्यां प्रवर्तते मृण्मयमूर्तिपूजा सिद्धिविनायकस्य महोत्सवः प्रवर्तते. Here is the sentence. There is a festival, a grand festival, Mahotsavaha, of Lord Siddhivinayak, a name of Ganesh. And what is the specialty of this celebration or this festival? That there is Mrunmaya Murti Puja. The idol Murti is earthen. Mrunmaya Murti. Mrut is sand or earth, full of earth or made from earth is Mrunmaya. So here Maya is the ending which makes the word Taddit. Mrunmaya is a Taddit and the meaning is made out of earth, that is earthen or full of earth. So the speciality of this festival is that the worship of earthen idol of Siddhivinayak, that is Ganpati, is performed. Pravartate. Now we know the Ganpati festival where people bring home the earthen idol of Ganesh and they worship him. When Pakshe Site Bhadrapade cha Mase, in the month of Bhadrapad and in the first half, Paksha, that is first 15 days are called as Sita Paksha or Shuddha Paksha or Shukla Paksha. So the first half of the month, the first fortnight of the month, and on the fourth day, Tithau Chaturthyam. Chaturthi is the fourth day. Tithi is the day. So on the fourth day of in the first half of the Bhadrapad month, the festival is celebrated, where Gruhe Gruhe, in each and every house, that is individually, people bring their home the earthen idol of Siddhivinayak, that is Ganpati, and they worship him. Here, Pakshe Site Bhadrapade Mase Tithau Chaturthyam. All these words are in Saptami Vibhakti. All these words show the time. So there is Saptami Vibhakti. Gruhe Gruhe. Here is also Saptami Vibhakti to show the location. Pravartate. Pra plus Vrita 180. Lat Lakar Pratham Purush Ekvachan. In this verse, in the first line, Yatra is the word that connects this verse to the first line of the first verse. That Maharashtramithi Deshaha Prasiddha Varvati. The region named Maharashtra is very famous where on the fourth day in the first half of the Bhadrapad month, the festival of worship of earthen idol of Siddhivinayak is celebrated in every house. In this way, we connect the meaning to the first verse with the help of the word yatra. 11th verse. Nirvartya puja vidimayudhanam Nirajanam vaji vibhushanam cha Vrajanti sayam vijayadashamyam Seemanamullanghhitumatra lokaha. Lokaha vrajanti. The people go. The people go. Seemanam ullanghitum atra is the sandhi. Why do people go? People go to cross ullanghitum seemanam, border. They cross border as a celebration of Vijayadashmi. Vijayadashmi is the festival described in this verse, famous as Dasra in Marathi. In the evening, Sayam of Vijayadashmi, people go to cross the border. So this is the ritual that is performed on the day of Vijayadashmi. In the first line, in the morning, what do people do? Puja vidhim ayudhanam vaji vibhushanam cha nirvartya. What do people do? They perform worship of Ayudha. What is Ayudha? Ayudha is any type of weapon, any type of instrument, any type of machine, and any type of instrument that helps to work. And therefore, in modern times, even the computer and laptop, the television, the refrigerator, the oven, and washing machine, and all other instruments that ease our life, that help us, they also deserve worship. After performing the worship of Ayudha, that is weapon. So weapons should be worshipped by the soldiers, of course, and all the police and all those people who have those types of Ayudha. But for common men, all those things that help them to work are to be worshipped on this day. Even the students should worship their books, notebooks, and other things because they help them to learn. Also, Vaji Vibhushanam. Vaji is the word for a horse. That is, the horse should be decorated. That is, people decorate their horses, and in modern times, people do not have horses, but they have vehicles, and the same purpose is served by them, and therefore people decorate their vehicles. It may be bicycle, it may be motorcycle, it may be car. It is decorated on this day, and it is worshipped on this day, so that to show our gratitude toward all those weapons, instruments, vehicles, and all the things, they help us to ease our life all the time. And therefore, here is the day of gratitude, Vijayadashmi. And so we perform worship of all the Ayudha and all the instruments and the vehicles. Here is another word, Nirajana. What is Nirajana? Nirajana is in Marathi, Ovarni. So the sacred lamp is lighted, and with the help of it, the worship is done. It is called as Nirajana. In simple Marathi, it is also called as Aarti. Nirajana is the ritual of waving the lamp from left to right so that to show that we worship the person or the thing. Another meaning is the person or the thing should get a long life. In first line, Nirvartya is Lyabanta Jiran of Ni plus Vrita 1 AP. Puja Vidhim plus Ayudhanam is the Sandhi. That is, Halantama has been completed. It has become Ma because of the next A. In second line, Simanam plus Ullangitum plus Atra. Here also the Ma Halantama is completed because of the next vowel. Vrajanti, Vraja 1 PP, Latlakar, Pratham Purush, Bahuvachan. Vijayadashamyam, Vijayadashami ending in second E, Trilingi, Saptami, Ekvachan. To show time, Saptami is used. Simanam, Siman is the word ending in an, Trilinga. Dvitiya, Ekvachan. Ullangitum is the Tumanta Jiran of Ut plus Langa 1 AP. द्वादशतमः श्लोकः वृषोत्सवश्रावणमासि यत्र कोजागरी शारदपौर्णिमायां सम्पद्यमानस्त्रिपुरस्य दाहो विशिष्यते कार्तिकपौर्णमास्याम्. Now here another festival is described. It is Vrishotsav, festival of Vrusha. Vrusha synonym is Vrushabha, that is a bull. So here is a bull festival in the month of Shravan, Shravan Masi. Another festival is Kojagari. Kojagari, where people are awake in the night and they worship the full moon. The full moon is called as Paurnima. The day of full moon is called as Paurnima. And the season is Sharad. So in the season of Sharad, on the full moon day, Kojagari festival is celebrated. Then again, third festival is Tripurasya Daha. Daha, burning of Tripura. Tripura was a demon and he was killed in a battle by Lord Shankar. And so, people celebrate this festival. They light up Tripura, that is big lamps, and this festival is celebrated on the full moon day, Paurnamasi. So here are the synonyms. Paurnima is equal to Paurnamasi, secondly, of the month of Kartik. The festival called Tripurasya Daha, Tripura Daha festival is being celebrated on the full moon day of the month of Kartik, and it is very special. Vishishyate. It is a special celebration. In this verse, Shravanamasi, Sharda Paurnimayam, Kartika Paurnamasyam, these three words are in Saptami Vibhakti to show the time. Vishishyate, V plus Shisha, 4 PP, कर्मवाच्य लट लकार प्रथम पुरुष एक वचन. संपद्यमानः plus त्रिपुरस्य is the sandhi. संपद्यमानः, sam plus pada, 4 AP. It is कर्मवाच्य वकाधावी पुल्लिंगी प्रथमा ekvachan. Now 3 festivals are described in this 12th verse. Vijayadashmi festival is described in 11th verse. Now these two verses are also connected to the first verse where the sentence is Maharashtramitti deshaha prasiddhaha Varvarti. The region named Maharashtra is very famous where people celebrate Vijayadashmi and the festivals are special like Vrushotsav in the month of Shravan, Kojagiri on the full moon day of Sharad season, and Tripurasya Daha or Tripura Daha on the full moon day of the month of Kartik. In the 11th verse, Ullanghitum plus Atra, Simanam plus Ullanghitum plus Atra. Atra is the word that connects the 11th verse to the first verse. Similarly, in the 12th verse, Yatra is the word that connects this verse to the first verse. In this way, we start with the first verse saying that Maharashtramitti deshaha prasiddhaha Varvarti, where these are the lords, gods, goddess who are worshipped. These are the festivals and celebrations. Those are celebrated by the people. In this way, the poet describes the temples, the gods, the deities, the goddess, the festivals of Maharashtra.